Good morning, kids. Today we'll study a new chapter named Roman numbers. Do you know what are Roman numbers and what we will study in this chapter? We will study about Roman numbers in which numbers can be written. We will learn about the practical use of writing numbers. Introduction. Roman numbers are basically numerals written in Arabic numeral. For of years, the Roman numbers have been using different symbols for writing numerals. So, the Roman numbers used 6 symbols to write the numbers. These symbols are used in different combination to write various numbers. The Roman numeral system does not follow place value system. Also, there is no zero in this system of numeration. The basic rules of Roman numerals are there are basically 7 numerals which are as follows: I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Each value has a value. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100 and D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. Example: 3 plus 6 is equal to IX. In the above example, 3 denotes 3, V1 denotes 6. As we all know, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. The sum is 9, which is written as 1x in Roman numeral. First rule: the symbol 1, X, C, M are never repeated 3 times at given time. Symbols VLD can be used only once. Romans didn't have a zero in it. Rule number 2. Only the symbol I, X, C are used for both addition and subtraction. If a lesser symbol is before a greater symbol, it is always subtracted from the greater one. Like 1V. 1 stands for 1 and V stands for 5. So the bigger symbol is 5. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. XC. X here is 10 and C is 100. So the bigger is C. So C will subtract 10 from it. So it becomes 90. Now CM. M stands for 1000 and C stands for 100. So the smaller symbol will be written in front and the bigger symbol will be written at the back. If a lesser symbol is after a greater symbol, the two values are added, like V1. That means bigger symbol is 5 and smaller symbol is 1. So it becomes 6. As follows. Rule number 3. The symbol I can be repeated or subtracted from the next two symbol V and X only. V is never subtracted. Symbol X can be added to or subtracted from L and C only. The C can be added or subtracted from D, M only. These are the list in front of you of Roman numbers. So you can write it down till 1 to 100 because it is very easy to do it. 1 stands for 1, 2 stands for double digit, 3 stands for 1, 1, 1, 4 stands for 1, 5, 5 stands for V, 6 stands for V1, 7 stands for V11, 8 stands for V111 and 10 stands for X. As follows, you can complete the table till the 100. Thank you, kids. I hope you understood the chapter.